Hello there, very good morning to you. Let's see what weather is in store for those of you heading to the West Show today and also for the rest of this week. And actually fairly fine conditions. It should be mostly dry. You'd be really unlucky to be caught by a shower today. And once we get through today, dry weather in store. It is a little bit cloudier today, but then it should be becoming mainly sunny through the next few days, and actually sunny conditions really this weekend, as well as hot weather and a little bit breezy as well. Back to you today though, you can see we are under this layer of cloud. As I mentioned, there's a few showers around, but only a very small chance those will reach their way over to us. It should be staying dry for the most part. And actually, as we head throughout the day, that cloud's starting to break up, so some brightness and maybe even some sunny spells by later on this evening. The winds are light as well, so it's feeling pleasant with highs of 23 degrees Celsius. So we head into tonight then, some cloudier periods, and the winds are going to be staying light, only around a force 2 to a force 3, coming in from that westerly direction. And the wind's staying light again tomorrow, so another fine day with dry conditions. Starting off tomorrow a bit cloudy, but that breaking up even quicker, so sunny mostly by the time we get to the afternoon. So it will feel pleasant with maximum temperatures of 24 degrees Celsius. High pressure moving in as we head towards the weekend. We could be in for some sunnier conditions and some warm weather as well. Join me later for all the details.
Lily is here. Now, Lily, any pot at the moment is going to be particularly dry. I was watering mine yesterday because it is so dry, isn't it, at the moment?
You'll be having to water the plants definitely because we've not really had much rain, a tiny bit today. But actually, if we take a look at the stats over the past few weeks, we've had less than 5 millimetres in the Channel Islands over the past 3 weeks. And actually, when we take a look at August, since the start of the month, less than 1 millimetre of rain. So what that does mean is the ground really is very dry.
And Lily, further afield, the dry conditions have been causing wildfires. Is that something we need to be aware of and concerned about here?
Well, it is something that we need to be mindful of. And yes, as you say, and as Mary said earlier, there are wildfires at the moment across Europe. We can actually see on this map, this shows the risk of wildfires in the dark moment, but also you notice our Channel Islands are quite red as well. And actually Jersey Met say as we go into the weekend, there is a high risk of wildfires. Now, the reason for that is a perfect storm really of several conditions. Firstly, the dry ground that I mentioned earlier, but also hot temperatures. We're going to be up into the high 20s. And we have also got a moderate to fresh breeze that can actually spread any fires that do break out. So the advice that Jersey Met and the fire service are giving is if you are out and about enjoying this weekend, if you've got a barbecue, do that away from any dry vegetation, away from things like fences and sheds which could burn easily. Make sure that barbecue is put out, you can put cool water over it. And the other thing is just to avoid leaving litter around, so things like cigarettes, make sure they're not going to cause a risk, or even something like broken glass could also start a fire. So something just to be mindful of while we're enjoying the hot and the sunny weather that we have got in store. But let's get all the details now. Well, we had some cloudier conditions earlier today, as well as some light spots of rain as well for a time. But let's see what's in store over the next few days. And it should now be dry for the most part. We've got high pressure sitting over us, and that's going to give us some mainly sunny conditions. Once we get through tomorrow morning, it should be brightening up, and actually long sunny spells in store for this weekend. That's when it's also going to become hot, with temperatures reaching the high 20s and some breezy conditions as well. That will just help take the edge off those temperatures. But back to you tonight, rather cloudy at times, and we could have some mist patches as well for a time, but otherwise a quiet night, a dry night in store, and the winds are calm and gentle too, with minimum temperatures of around 15 to 16 degrees Celsius. So as we head into tomorrow, it's looking to be a dry day. It may well be a bit cloudy first thing in the morning, but that cloud should break up pretty readily, so quicker than we experienced today, some brighter spells, and getting sunny really by late morning with long sunny spells into the afternoon. So it'll feel pleasant. The wind's light again tomorrow, just a gentle breeze, and maximum temperatures of 24 degrees Celsius. So it will feel quite warm in that sunshine. Let's check our times of high water then, between 10:30 and 11:15 in the morning, later on between around 11 and 11:30, with the sea temperature just above 19 degrees. So moving through the week as we head towards the weekend, high pressure is still sitting over us. That's going to bring dry and sunny conditions as well as these easterly winds. And what that's going to do is drive in warmer air from continental Europe. So when we take a look at that outlook, you can see temperatures steadily climbing and feeling hot this weekend, with temperatures up into the high 20s. Hello there, very good evening to you. Well, today we had some cloudy conditions at times, as well as a few spots of rain, but actually, as we look at the rest of this week's forecast, it is looking to be dry, and we have got mainly sunny conditions, maybe a bit of cloud to start tomorrow, but then soon brightening, and by this weekend, long sunny spells, as well as hot temperatures and slightly breezy conditions that will just help take the edge off that warm weather. Now, the reason for that is we've got high pressure moving in. That's what's going to be giving us the dry and the bright conditions, keeping those rain-bearing weather fronts at bay, but it's also going to be giving us those easterly winds that will feed in that warmer air from continental Europe. Back to tonight though, and we have got rather cloudy conditions, maybe some mist patches at times, but otherwise quite a quiet and benign night, dry weather in store, and the winds are gentle as well. So we head into tomorrow, it is looking to be a dry day. As I mentioned, it could just be a bit cloudy to start, but that cloud breaking up fairly quickly to give us some bright intervals and sunny spells by the time we go into the afternoon. The winds are gentle tomorrow, so it will feel pleasant in that sunshine with highs of 24 degrees, and those temperatures only going to keep climbing as we head towards the weekend. Hello there, very good morning to you. We have got a dry day in store. It might be a bit cloudy to start, but any cloud readily breaking up to give us some bright intervals later on this morning and mostly sunny conditions into the afternoon. The winds are calm and gentle, so it will feel pleasant in that sunshine with maximum temperatures of 24 degrees.